everyone, good morning. Right then, let's start off our school week by thinking about the day and the date. Now it was the weekend, we've just had the weekend. Yesterday was, can you read the word? Sunday, Sunday, yesterday. What day is it today? The first day of our week. Super, Monday. We can hear that sound, can't we? Oh, I don't want to write it like that though. That's our lowercase We need a capital letter because it's a name of a day. Super. Which letter do we need? Can you remember its name? Good. It's an M. That's the name. The sound is Can we hear any other sounds in the word Monday? You kind of often say Monday like an sound, don't you? But it's not an it's an Monday. Some people might say Monday, but Monday. So we've got an Okay, so we need to think carefully about that letter. Good. Good. Super. I'm going to put my sound buttons on to make sure I've got all of the right sounds. Lovely. Right, it's not the 17th. It was the 17th yesterday, so we need to add one more to 17. Super. 18. It's the 18th today because it's the date, and that's how we say it. Super. Monday, the 18th of January. Well done. Right then, I've got have you noticed my bear? It's not my bear, it's my little boy Xander's bear. He's there helping us today. Can you hold that? Okay. Right then, so 18 is our whole amount. That's our whole number, and I'm going to make that with my 10s and my 1s. I'm going to stick them on here first, and then I'm going to draw them like you're going to. Okay, so that's 18. 1, 10, thinking about our 10s and our 1s, and 8 1s. Good, let's draw it. So 10s, 1s, this is our whole amount. 18, 1, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 8 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Super, that's our whole. Right, split it into two parts. Part. I'm going to think, because we're in our teen numbers, I'm going to think about my 10s and my 1s first. So I'm going to split it into a 10 for one part. So what would this part be? Good, it would be 8. And I've written the numbers today, or you could draw the blobs, you could draw the 1s. Okay, super. So 10 and 8, and we know that 10 add 8 equals 18. That's our number sentence. That's our whole. Great stuff. Okay, so we need to make 18 in lots of different ways. That's our challenge. How could we start? 18 in lots of different ways. I'm going to put 18 at the bottom, at the end of our number sentence, to remind us we're making 18. Okay, so could I start with a number that's bigger than 18? No, because we're making 18. Okay, so it's got to add two numbers here that are smaller than 18. Or I could do it this way. We've done this quite a lot of times, haven't we? 18 add, it would be 0, that's right. Or you could do it the other way around, 0 add 18 still makes 18, that's right. Okay, so we could do it that way. I'm going to rub that one out. Yep, 17. So we've talked a lot about doing it in a sequence, haven't we? And I don't want you to just think, oh yeah, well I know the sequence, so I'm just going to do 18, 17, 16, 15 and not really think about it. I want you to really try hard to think about why you've put the numbers there, okay? So by thinking about it, you've got to work it out. So work it out, don't just copy the pattern. So work it out using your blobs or using your fingers, counting on, and make sure that we're really thinking about why we're writing our numbers. Okay, so 17 add how many more makes 18? We know on the number line, don't we? 17, my number line's a bit tiny up here. 17, then 18 comes next. So we've added one more. Good, makes 18. So what else? I could carry on my pattern. So what would be next? Good, 16 would go there. 16, carry on counting. 16, 17, 18. We added two more. Good, I could do that. Or I'm going to pick just a different number that's smaller than 18. I'm going to go with 12. Okay, 12. How many am I adding to 12 to make 18? How am I going to work that out? Oh yeah, I could count on, couldn't I? I could count on with my fingers. 12 in your head. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So how many have I added? 6. Good. 12 add 6 equals 18. Oh, I can hear some of you saying, swap it round. Yeah, I could do it the other way around. 6, it doesn't matter which way round it is. You can turn it round the other way. It still makes the same amount. 18. Good. So how many different ways can you make 18? I want you to see how many number sentences you can record. Now, we're also thinking of subtraction, aren't we? Because we've got to be so good in year 1, ready for year 2, at doing our addition and our subtraction. So, how can you make 18 by taking 2 numbers away? Can we think of some different ways of doing it? Now, remember, if we're making 18, we've got to have 18 left. So, you've got to have a number that is, that's right, 18 or bigger to have 18 left. So we could do the one that we've often started with and take away 0. So we've still got 18. That would work. How else could we do it? It's got to be a bigger number. That's right. So 19. Yeah, you could have 19. 19 take away 1 less than 19 is 18. So take away 1 is 18. Good. You might be thinking of, a bigger one we could have. I'm going to go with 24. Okay, 24 take away something equals 18. Should we count backwards and see how many? So 24 in your head, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18. So I counted backwards 6 and I landed on 18. Let's just check by taking them away. So we've got 6 fingers here. Let's see if 24 take away 6 equals 18. So 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18. It does work. So 24 take away 6 equals 18. Fab. How many different ways can you do that? Choose numbers that are bigger than 18, count backwards and see if you can work out the answers. You could draw your blobs and cross out if you need to do it like that.